Okay guys, so it just poured down here downtown, and it's so beautiful, the weather, and everyone is getting set up for the first Friday because today's the 1st of September. I'm not sure if we're gonna go just because I do not want to get rained on, but we'll check it out. But have a look. Gonna get a Starbucks. We're gonna pick one from the menu. We don't know which one we're gonna get, but yeah, this weather is making me feel like getting some Starbucks. Yeah.
Refreshing?
Yeah. That'd be cool. Raining, you guys.
Yeah, could I get one of the mango dragon fruit refreshers in a size venti?
Mango dragon fruit and what size?
So so the mango dragon fruit in the size venti,
Gotcha.
and that'll be all.
Gotcha. Welcome to 536. I'll see you right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, so by ordering some Starbucks, the car got wet. Oh, I love this weather, you guys. You know, it's always hot here in Vegas, so when you have like a rainy day that's cloudy, all you want to do is just sit in your bed and just eat popcorn. And that's exactly what we're gonna do, and we're gonna watch some Jurassic Park. Waiting in line at Starbucks. Guys, I got myself, what did we get? A mango dragon fruit. So, delicioso. Oh, and it's raining. I love it. I don't think the first Friday is gonna happen.
If it does,
I don't think the first Friday is gonna happen, you guys, because I'll show you where it's at. The first Friday is on that lot right there, and as you can see, some of the food trucks are there, but I don't know, this weather just seems like it's gonna stay put. Just go straight. Look, you guys, that was the building that was getting burnt down a few days ago. That is the aftermath. Look how crazy that is. Oh! Did you see the lightning?
I did.
Holy crap. Did you guys see that? Woo! We are staying in the car, you guys. We just parked somewhere and we're just staying in the car, just chilling like a villain. Okay? Drinking our Starbucks. This is a nice one. I like it. R2, D2. We're gonna change it back to Yoshi, you guys, just because he looks like he taking steroids or something.
Looks a little squared.
Yeah.
This should be a little higher. Too.
That's what I was thinking.
Maybe more like these.
Yeah. Woo! It's nice though. I like the rain. You guys, we're still here. We're locked down in our car right now. I love it though. It is pouring rain. I love it. I absolutely. Ozzy's probably like, where are you? He loves rain, but he hates the thunder, which makes sense. It's pretty loud, but yeah, it's okay. We're just chit-chatting away, manifesting, you know. Baby.
What are you doing?
Just here. We're drinking some Starbucks because it's raining.
You got your little Starbucks?
I sure did. My mango dragon fruit. See?
So what you're trying to say is we're stuck in this car right now?
Yeah, I don't think we should go out.
I put down some chicken. We're gonna make some chicken today.
Ooh, with some cucumber?
I'm gonna do like arroz con pollo. I'm gonna try to try this new thing this new theory that I've got in mind.
Guys, we're drenched, but we made it. You guys made it home. I'm just gonna feed Ozzy. We're gonna change his food soon. Good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy. So the first Friday has officially been cancelled. It's just the weather is just too unpredictable. So right now, the whole Las Vegas, it is just fully cloudy and there's no like little spots of like sunshine. So I do believe that it is gonna rain a little bit later as well. But yeah, they have canceled it for today. But that's okay, we're gonna stay home. We got some popcorn. We got a bucket. Got our popcorn, got Ozzy on the bed, and Jurassic Park. So, let's go. So that's where they hold the first Friday, you guys. And they're packing up. Look at the weather. Okay guys, look, they're packing up to go. So, playing my favorite jam, you guys. Place as well here on Main Street, and then you have the Houston chicken, then you have like an ice cream shop. It's pretty cool. We have one of the antiques, and then this is the hair salon. Okay, I'm pretty sure we've all fallen like this once in our life, except my titty wasn't out. This is pretty cool. This shop is really cool, you guys. Hours. That is a cute cup. That's nice. Those are really like nice like murals. Strange, but not a stranger. Look at those boots. Go ahead, have a swell Saturday, punks. That's an old BMW. You guys, this is the art district. A lot of buildings are closing, which is sad. Ooh, what is that? Is that? That's a skyline. I swear to God, look where the steering wheel is. Right? No. Is it? No. That's a skyline. That has to be a skyline. No? It is? Oh shit, it's a skyline. So you guys, in Sydney, you pretty much see a lot of skylines. Because look at where the steering wheel is. The steering wheel. Same with that one. So you guys, the steering wheel for you guys is there. This one is there. So I haven't seen one since Sydney. Oh, it is a skyline. Holy shit, it's a skyline. That is sick. That is crazy. So you guys, you drive on the left, and in Australia we drive on the right, and that's where you have it. And this one as well is an Australian car, or it has to be like a UK or something, because the steering wheel is on this side too. Alright, now this one is probably from Titanic. Wow. I have no idea, but that's a pretty cool car. Guys, look, this is Brian's car from Fast and the Furious. It's a Supra. This is sick. Again, the steering wheel is on the right. There's an Acura right there. That is